Good afternoon. Welcome to day 421 here at the St. Clair County EMA office. I'm joined by Chairman Kern, and we're going to get directly into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we've tested 348,047 individuals, and that's an increase of 763 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,678, and that is an increase of 29 since yesterday. Those are males and females in their teens up to their 50s. Today's daily county positivity rate is 3.8%. Negative test results were at 317,369, and the county total of deaths related to COVID-19 remains at 477. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,927. For state totals, they've tested 23,281,801. Positive test results of 1,353,226, which is an increase of 1,729 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 22 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,193. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 14 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 0 patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 32 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 0 on ventilators. We have no changes in our congregate living facilities, and as we talk about every day, testing remains so vitally important to make sure that we identify and isolate this virus. So if you feel like you're having symptoms of COVID-19, or if you've been exposed to someone who's tested positive, go down and get yourself tested so you can verify your status. It's available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 to 4, and also at various pharmacies and urgent care facilities throughout St. Clair County. I'll turn it over to the chairman now for his update.
Great. Thanks, Brian. Let's take a look at the zip codes today. 62203 up 1 to 664. 62206 up 1 to 1,409. 62205 up 1 to 676. 62208 up 3 to 1,734. 62220 down 1 to 2,181. 62221 up 4 to 2,934. 62223 up 1 to 1,855. 62226 up 1 to 3,362. 62258 up 1 to 1,099. And 62269 up 8 to 3,437. 29 new positives in the county, 763 tested, brings our county positivity up today to 3.8%, and therefore the rolling average, the 7-day rolling average in the county is up to 3.1%. Regional positivity, though, is down today to 2.7% because Bond County calls in at 3.6%, Clinton 1.6%, Madison 2.5%, Monroe is at 8.3% today, Randolph is 0.4%, St. Clair is 2.5%, and Washington County 2.7%. So, Brian, 3/4 of the people who contracted COVID in today's numbers are under the age of 40. Yes. So it's really important that people, regardless of age, get vaccinated. There are rules regarding those 16 and above. And I think they might be loosening the age restrictions this coming week, so people need to pay attention to that. We had 7 teenagers that contracted COVID today, or in today's numbers, so it's important everyone gets vaccinated. We're doing it at the fairgrounds. If you get there in the near future, you'll be able to actually have time to get both vaccinations at the fairgrounds, and you'll be a part of history. It's something you'll be able to tell your family about how you got through the pandemic of COVID-19.
Yes, sir. Definitely available every day of the week except for Wednesday at the fairgrounds. They take appointments from 8 a.m. to 6:30, but from 9 to 5 you can show up without an appointment. They'll register you on site, and typically less than 30 minutes you're in and out and you have that vaccine. They are administering the Pfizer vaccine, as you mentioned, 16 and above. And we do expect that EUA to be extended to those 12 to 15-year-olds probably in the next week to 2 weeks. And the health department is ready to immediately start administering those vaccines. I know Mila's been working with some of the school districts possibly to set up some mobile clinics as this progresses. And even once the mass vaccination site closes, 330 West Main is still going to be available, and hopefully we'll be seeing it in more doctors' offices and pharmacies.
With COVID-19, it's become very clear it's not just about the symptoms or the immediate virus that you get, which is serious in and of itself. 14 people in St. Clair County are in the hospital today because of that. But it's what could happen with the long haul. You become a long hauler. You have symptoms that show up weeks, months, years later. Those are the fears of the medical community as to what the long-term effects of COVID-19 are. It's bad enough in the short term. We certainly don't want to have problems in the long term. But if you get vaccinated, we'll be able to solve a lot of the problems that we see out there that are the potential pitfalls that are still waiting for us in the future.
Very well said. As we talk every day about testing being so vitally important, the best way we can get through this is the vaccination. Vaccination is what's going to help us move through, and hopefully we have that bridge phase starting on May 14th, next Friday, and then as long as we can keep those statistics great, it could be as soon as June 11th that we move into the full phase 5. The way you can help is get that vaccination, make sure you're a part of the solution. We will be back with Cindy here in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities. And we'll be back with you tomorrow for our question and answer day. You'll see the portal posted a little later today in case you have any questions. You can submit them and the panel will do their best to get you the answers. So until tomorrow, we'll see you next time.